Hello. In this video, I show you how to assemble the DeWalt DW7440RS table saw stand. According to the manual, this table saw stand can be used with DW744, DW744X, and DW745. It can be used with other models, but these models have not been evaluated for use with this stand. The tools you need are a Phillips screwdriver and a socket or wrench set. When you open the box, you have wide stand base, 2 saw mounting brackets, 2 wheels, 1 axle, screws and washers, and 1 kickstand. First, attach the wheels and axle. Attach the axle to the leg support by aligning the pre-drilled holes. Use 2 carriage bolts, washers, and lock nuts to secure axle to the leg support. Put the wheels on the axle and secure it with washers and lock nuts. Tighten the nuts. Now I attach the kickstand by inserting tube plugs into the end of the kickstand tube as I am showing you here. Make sure the holes in the tube plugs are in line with the holes in the kickstand tube before inserting. Kickstand should point up when the stand is in the upright position and secure it to the beams with 4 M6 screws. Attach 2 rubber bumpers to the handle side leg using M4 screws and lock nuts as you see. Finally, you need to mount the 2 brackets. First, unfold the legs by pressing the leg release levers and route them until the locking pin clicks. Then turn the stand upright.